Hi, this is Catherine. So the topic of my script is talk about the health impact of high temperature, which is caused by global warming. There are four sources in my script. The first one is read by Arthur and B. Both of them are concentrated on public health and environmental health. The publisher is Australian Health Review. This is a publication of Australian Hospital Association. This is a popular source, and in this source, the author argued that heat wave patterns drought and inclement weather cycle will treat a lot of disease and make more people die, especially for the old people. So they also mentioned that pathogenic agents will increase because of the high temperature. They provide some solution for the readers. The main point, I think, that they focusing on the Australian health situation and came up with a lot of solution about high temperature. But this is also the limitation to them because they're only focusing on the old people. I suggest them to pay more attention to other ages people, such as the younger people. How can they fight job in the extreme weather and pay attention to the preparing for the extreme weather? The next one is written from Robert Mussel. So he is a PhD and CEO of Rachel Carson Council. The publisher is a non-profit academic publishing house operating. This is academic sources. And Robert's spokes is going to talk about the whole global warming, and this is the first chapter, which is named Hope for a Heat Planet. There are three parts in this chapter. The concept of global warming, the reason that caused global warming, and how impact that caused by global warming, based on global warming. The main point is that Rabba wants to point out that it is terrible for global warming because it caused many disasters to the world. However, he thinks the main reason for global warming is the human activity, so humans should pay attention to it. The limitation for it is because this is one of the chapters for Muscle's books, which is only concentrate on the reasons and impacts, not provide the whole and fully information for the global warming, such as, for example, the solution. The third one is from Rosity. So she is an MD. This published on the International Journal of Occupational and Environmental Health. This is an academic source. So she shows the real situation of global warming, which caused a lot of damage on human health impacts, the agriculture and weather resource. So she paid more attention to health impacts for the extreme weather and epidemic. She argued that humans should protect our world and contain the global warming. This is our responsibility. The limitation for the sources is that it does not have much explanation as same as the second sources. However, this article also has the same solution for the global warming and provides some charts to show her reader directly, just like the pictures. The fourth one is written by Matthew. So this is published on the Globalization and Health. This is a peer-reviewed and open-access published health journal that covers the topic of globalization and its effect on health. This is also an academic sources. So she focusing on the solution of global warming and argued that different countries' governments should build a structure about the global warming, cooperate together. She also thinks that humans should pay more attention to the environment, not only for economic development. Even though the author provides some new idea for us, but she seems to attributing global warming to air pollution more. But actually, we know that the reason for global warming can connect to many human activities. So how can these sources build a structure for my script? All of them are talking about the health impacts from the global warming. So some of them focusing on the same things like B and Marshall. They discuss about epidemic in the high temperature, the spread of so-called vector-borne disease. So for Rosity and Answers article, we can get more solution from them because they provide some guidance for us. So these four sources can be a structure for me. So first, I'm going to explain the concepts. What is the global warming? Why global warming causes high temperature? The second, I'm going to answer the health impacts of high temperature. The last one is how can we solve it? So this is my script. Thank you.